Hi, I'm Caitlin from Varsity Tutors. Today we're talking about how to prepare for SAT Test Day. Having a successful SAT Test Day means planning ahead of time so your day can go as smoothly as possible. First, prepare your materials the night before. Avoid stress on SAT Test Day by gathering any necessities the night before the exam. Make sure you have your sharpened pencils, photo ID, test admissions ticket, calculator, and any other materials you might need. Second, try to get ample sleep for a few nights before test day. The SAT is a long test, and you'll be able to perform at your best when you're sufficiently rested. Focus on getting at least 8 hours of sleep on the nights leading up to your exam. And third, find a morning routine that allows you to feel awake and alert by test time. Test day is not the time to switch up your morning routine. Develop a routine that allows you to be in your best testing mind and then follow that on test day. In summary, when preparing for test day, gather all the materials the night before, get a good night's sleep, and find a morning routine that works best for you. Thanks for watching and learning more about how to prepare for SAT Test Day.